Alright, so this is number 16. And first of all, we see the outside. No, we see the packaging. And it totally looks like snake pattern. A little bit, at least, I think. Here we go. The next scene shows a crater. Alright, so this is the item itself, not the packaging anymore. And we have another detailed view. Alright. So here comes the next scene, and we got this brown things, or brown beige in this white stuff. Yeah, I have a lot of footage on this one. It's a very cool item. This is like the back side. The back side has a interesting pattern. And now comes the last scene, also the longest one. And this is a cut of the item. Okay, so I'm try to get to focus everything, and we have a look. Oh, this looks delicious. It looks delicious in microscopic view, which is very good, I think. And in 10 seconds we have the stopper. Oh, not, we have the stopper right now. And here comes the solution, and it's Kinder Happy Hippo. Oh, yeah, let's unbox it. Alright. And as you can see, it's also Christmas edition, so it's super cute packaging. Isn't it? Super cute. Anyway, let's cut one of them. And here, eat it. Here we go. And this is like the normal view. And you may recognize some of the things I filmed with the microscope. Well, basically it's a waffle with some eyes on and this coating at the bottom. And let's cut it. Let's cut the hippo. I always cut stuff. And inside is this delicious cream filling. Here we go. And for those who are missing like the old videos, also eating a little bit. So I want to make everyone happy. Let's eat the happy hippo. Super delicious. Ferrero at its best. It's to be noted this is the flavor cocoa, so there are also other flavors. And here's a little game on the back side. Super delicious cream. And here, before the outro comes, I show you the cute packaging detail. Skier. Here, Max Brave, alright. And here we got Rolf and Rudy. And they are sliding with the sled. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this one. Congratulations to everyone who guessed it right. And see you soon, my friends.